Canada, and today we are going to be making some, drum roll please, slime. Yes. Alright, so in this slime package thing, we have some pink glue, some activator, and some pink glitter. And we also have some pink nail polish. And yes, again with the socks, we have cat socks, good for Kitty Queen Canada. But anyway, we're not going to be focusing on that stuff. We are going to be making slime. Alright, so I'm going to rip the package open. There's like a little hole through there, so I'm going to use my hand. Alright. It's like slime instructions, like taped to the back of the glue bottle. Alright. Back. Oh, and by the way, from my rock video, I found another rock. Just to let you know. I found that blue rock that went flying. Alright. 3 parts of glue, 1 part of activator. You know what? I know how to make slime. I'm not going to listen to them. Alright. It's a pretty clean bottle of glue, if I do say so myself. Okay. It's still going. You know what? I'm just going to stop it there. So we don't need that anymore. And I'm going to read this anyway. 1 part of activator. Okay, whatever 1 part means. Okay. Okay, that's enough. And now for some glitter, I'm just going to pour half of the bottle in to be safe, on the safe side, if I can get it. Alright, I didn't spill the glitter everywhere, as you can see. We still have a full bottle. Okay, this is so pretty. I have a little bit left, so I'm going to pour it in. We're no longer on the safe side anymore. So this is what it looks like. It's very, very, very pretty. Alright, now to mix it. Alright, it's coming together a little bit. Oh my gosh, this feels so weird. Okay, I definitely need more activator. Alright. Okay, this is almost one of the prettiest slimes I ever made. I made slime without camera, and it was a big fail, so I didn't upload that onto YouTube. Look at this though, it's so, oh my gosh, I need some more activator. You know what? Okay, I think that's a good amount. I'm going to put this right there. I know how to make slime. I didn't need those instructions that told me how to do it. I'm going to take off my ring because I don't want to ruin that. Okay. probably gonna add the whole bottle. Oh no, the cap just fell in. Alright. Okay, that's much better. I haven't felt this in like a long time. Because sparkly it is though too. Alright, there's still a lot of slime left in here, so I'm going to grab all of the slime from the bowl, even the spoon, because I'm going to make kind of, alright. This is almost like, this is really pretty. Okay. Okay. So, if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another video. So cool. Wait, just before I go, listen to this. And then this happens. Oh my gosh. No. Alright. I'm going to move that away. So good.